Hello, my name is Advay and today I am going to tell you about dinosaurs through an app called PowerPoint. There is a different slides that I made. So let's start. I have put a picture of an Apatosaurus here and I have written dinosaurs made by Advay. Now let's go to the next slide. Now let's talk about some dinosaurs. The Spinosaurus. The Spinosaurus was the biggest carnivorous terrestrial dinosaur to ever exist. It was the biggest meat-eating dinosaur and the biggest meat-eating land-living dinosaur in the world. It mainly ate fish and could kill a Tyrannosaurus rex. It was a good swimmer. It had a sail around its back, although the reason is yet to be found. Its fossils were found in North Africa. Next, let's go to Stegosaurus. The Stegosaurus was a herbivorous dinosaur with a brain as small as a walnut. It had bony plates and a dangerous tail to protect itself from enemies like Allosaurus. Its fossils were found in North America. Their length was up to 9 meters and they weighed about 1,600 kg. As you can see, here are the bony plates and there is the very dangerous tail. Now let's move on to the next slide, which is about the Tyrannosaurus rex. The Tyrannosaurus rex, also known as the T-Rex, was the most famous dinosaur in the world. It lived during the Cretaceous period about 90 to 66 million years ago. It had powerful heads and tails and sharp teeth to defend and attack their prey. They were found in North America. Next is another plant-eating dinosaur called the Triceratops. The Triceratops was a herbivorous dinosaur which lived in the Cretaceous period around the same time as the T-Rex. It had two large horns for defending itself from its enemies. Their weight was 6,000 to 12,000 kilograms. Their recorded speed was 32 kilometers per hour. They lived in North America. So I basically used different backgrounds for different dinosaurs. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on that red button with a subscribe word on it. Until the next video, bye.